Hello, man.
What up?
What's going on?
Does it live?
No, not yet. It's pretty close, though.
What have you been doing all day?
Sorry, man. It's pretty close.
Yeah. What do you need?
Just gotta hook up some wires, really, and then run, but...
Oh.
I do to make it through the times we had. I see it now, I see it now.
What is up, everyone? We are back with another video. We're out here cruising with a couple buddies of mine. Got Alex up here on the Goldwing. Got Brendan up here on this beautiful Yamaha. Man, I love the sound of this thing. I hope it comes through in the video. So today, I don't know if you guys can see, there's some houses up on the little mountain over there. Today we're just going to be riding up there. There's a place up there called Ryder Lake. And yeah, we're just going to go up there and check it out. And I am excited to be back out on the bike. It has been raining all week. I guess that's what you get for kind of living in a forest. Still, this is the nicest it's been. God, I just love that thing. But yeah, so it's been raining all week. Haven't really had much chance to get out and ride, much less shoot anything. Up here to try and look for places to live. Up here was actually one of the first places. Actually, it was the only place that I had booked, and it was a few $100s in flights just to come up here and look at the place before we moved out here. And up here, like, there's this big mountain that we just crawled up. The one thing that I was really worried about was coming down that hill in winter. And so I happened to call another guy just to see if he was around town. We could look at the place, and thankfully we ended up getting that. But I mean, the houses up here are just absolutely stunning. There's a lot of money up in this hill. Brendan up here is just scrubbing in a new back tire. Into our valley. Hopefully you guys can see that from here. Oh my god. But yeah, so we do still get some winter here. It's definitely not as severe as minus 50 like I'm used to, but I don't imagine driving around in these mountains is very fun without studded tires. Yeah, I'm certainly trying to take it easy. There's a lot of gravel on these roads. Oh, another thing that just popped in my head that we were talking about a little bit earlier, MotoGP finally opened back up. Well, testing at least. They're hoping to get some races in still this year, but yeah, super excited for that. In gear. Going back down. Oh, I got caught up in the beauty of this place. Sorry. Things I've got to look forward to on this channel is Miranda's master cylinder will finally be put in. Hopefully this week if it gets here. I'll do a short little, not a how-to, but you know, just a little video of installing the master cylinder, a little video of installing that, And then we've actually got headsets coming for the two of us. So we're going to try and figure out how, but I'm pretty sure we can make it work that she can actually be on the channel also, which will be great. So she'll promote riding and the house that we were actually supposed to move into. I'm kind of glad I didn't take that house, but at the same time, it was certainly a nice area. Look at the angles of these driveways. I don't understand how this is a desirable... I could never live in a place like this. That was the thing about the first house we were looking at when we first came here. I would not want to live on the side of a mountain. Just getting to and from places is just too much of a pain in the backside. That being said, these are some really nice houses. What's the matter? I can't turn that couch around? Are we getting lost?
Right?
Are we getting lost?
No. We're trying to figure out how to get up there.
Oh. Give me... No, I don't. Go, stop. No. Oh my goodness. Oh, we've got critical failure. Wow.
So they're building all the way down here. This is wild. So even when we moved here, there wasn't this much.
Yeah. Well, I got to imagine these are $1 million homes.
Oh, for sure.
Look at the little buddies. I still find it crazy I live here.
Yeah, I guess compared to Saskatchewan,
this is like mind blown. This completely blows me away.
You know I do to make it through the times we had. I see it now.